Okay. Welcome back if anyone's here. Let's make some money. Well, we got some news, positive news. Markets are blasting up. We got oil coming up now too. MNQ's up 1.5%. Oil's down 6.2%. We got a little bit of news. The U.S. will allow temporary waiver of sanctions on Iranian oil on the sea to expire this week. Iran talks could be happening over the next 2 days in Pakistan, according to the New York Post. So yeah, we got a bunch of new news. We're getting close to all-time highs again. That's wild. I mean, on this contract, we're less than 1,000 points, 3.6% from all-time highs on the NQ. Wild. What a turnaround. In hindsight, it's like, yeah, should have went all in. Let's put this back on the 1 minute chart. See if my audio's on. Looks like it's on. We got a fair amount of liquidity both ways. Will we see 26,000? Have we touched 20? Hold on. Yeah, 26,000. Let's see if we hit that today. Oil below 100. That's positive. Marine traffic is still dead. We got the financial juice here on the left. If anyone interested in that. All right. Get a little pull back here. Got a little head and shoulders type of pattern. It'll be healthy to pull back 30, 40 points. Maybe even go back down to the VWAP here. We have Netflix up 3%, Nvidia's up 2.8, MicroStrategy's up 5%, Meta's up 4.4, Microsoft's up 2.5. Apple's up kind of flat, but it's up 0.16. It's not bad. Markets are looking bullish. It's a 10 o'clock hour here in the Pacific West Coast. It's a time we usually see a little bit of a reversal. Let's see if we can pull back. Made a couple of trades. I'm up 61 bucks on one XFA, 152 on another. In my practice, I'm up 110. We're going to throw on the practice right now. See if we see a rollover. If anyone's watching, say something in the chat. Say what's up. Say hi. Maybe let me know what positions you are in. Sorry about that. Just got a frog in my throat. Kind of dehydrated. Oh, oil is below 100. That's a positive. And if we can get below 90, that's bullish for markets for sure. Let's see if we can get anyone that comes in. Leave some comments in the comment section. That'd be awesome. Oh, someone liked. Nice. Someone came by and liked. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. I'm on a practice account right now. Let's put in a short. Let's see if we get down to 25,875 area. Test this consolidation area. I mean, it's kind of a head and shoulders. That can play out, but let's see. Not confident right now, so we're just gonna put in a practice account trade. Oh, Diego in the house. My friend, 60 subs. Yeah. Let's go. So happy. But who knows how many real ones there are. Not much, doing all right. Up a couple $100 on the XFAs. You know. Diaz, did you pass your combine? Oh, JP Farms. What up, brother? I was talking about yesterday. I'm like, where's that homie with the farms? Probably on the tractor, get some hay for the cows, which is all good. Diego, you didn't pass? You got another one? Did you blow the first? Did you blow the? Don't tell me you blew it. Oh, no. Don't tell me you were short and the Bulls just took you. Oh, man, that's the worst. Ah, revenge trading. That's. Oh, God. I feel you, man. It's okay. I'm usually 33%. I get 3 combines, I'll pass 1. So that's probably my average, 3 to 1. Might be closer to 2 to 1, maybe 2.5 to 1. But it's okay. You live and you learn. And try not to revenge trade. Remember, touch grass. But thanks for stopping by, JP Farms. Hopefully the livestock is happy. JP Farms, where are you from again? I forgot. You told me, but I completely forgot. Well, that's a nice bounce there. This is a practice account, so just keep that in mind. We have financial juice on the side here. I'm watching the Bookmap. We got 150 orders at 25,955 on the NQ. We got 100 orders at 25,875. And we got another 100 orders at 26,000. So we got a little bit of volume. But Diaz, let's try to get that combine passed, the evaluation passed this week. If not, there's always next week. Don't hurry too much, and please don't revenge trade. As soon as you feel like you're tilting and you want a revenge trade, just step away, shut down the computer. Go hide the phone for an hour. Go lay in the grass. Well, we got a nice bounce off my entry. Typical. That's why I'm on a practice right now. I want to see at least like a push down to like 25,900 area. That'd be nice. A 1-to-1 trade would be right around there. It's not a good trade. But JP Farms, thanks for stopping by, brother. I appreciate you stopping by. That's awesome. Just someone comes by and says hi. That's amazing. That shows love. That's awesome. Oh, we got some headlines. I think I got a little bar on the bottom scrolling with some new headlines. You guys can read that. We're up on the NQ 1.5%. That's huge. Equities. We got Netflix up 3%. Nvidia up 2.8%. Even MicroStrategy killing it 5.2%. Meta's up 4.3%. Microsoft's up 2.57%. Apple's pretty much flat, but it's up like 0.1%. That's awesome. Here are my long terms. Doing pretty good. What the? Micron up 5.7. Oracle's up 5.2. Silver's up 5. Amazon's up 4. Tesla's up 3.5. Tesla needs to go up more. It's been having a bad couple weeks. Well, yeah, look at that green on the board. Looks beautiful. Nice. Loving it. But Diego, yeah, revenge trading gets us all. So don't be too upset. I know you worked hard on that eval. Oh, look, we're going to pump here. So it's going to take out my stop. Luckily, this is a practice. Up 150 on one XFA, 60 bucks on another. There you go. Stopped out. Looks like it wants to test 25,955. There's a bunch of contracts there. I kind of like it. You know what? Let's see if we get a little quick push up here. If not, I'll manually stop out. It's like 200-300 contracts in this area here. This should try to get a bunch of them. It's a 1 minute chart. We got Nvidia and Netflix rolling up. Tesla. There we go. Here we got a push. Let's try to trail the stop. I'd expect it to go back to VWAP, which is way down there by 25,748. All right, I think it's going to take me out here. It's a free trade. You got to like it when it starts, as soon as you get in, you're green. Then you don't have to chase and keep adding. Martingale. The worst strategy you can have. The martingale strategy. Just keep adding. People have different names for it. Oh, DCA. Got a wick to the upside. That's not nice. Let's see if he can engulf that and keep going. 26,000 would be nice. Or 26,000. One micro, 116 bucks. That'd be great. Let's see if we get a push up here. We got 2 people watching. Got a like. Nice. Appreciate that. Oh, I got 2 likes. Nice. Really appreciate that. Double appreciation. Let's go. Let's see this pump. Up like 12 points right now. It's not bad. I should probably take profit right here. You see green, you take it. Don't want to be too greedy. Remember, VWAP is way down there, 25,750 area. Can we see a 3% day, 2% day today? Very possible. The bulls are cooking. The meeting between Israeli and Lebanese ambassadors hosted by Secretary of State Rubio has ended after more than 2 hours. All right, that's the latest news. All right, we're going to cut it right here. Maybe get a better entry. Or this might just take off. See 26,000 today. Hold on. I just got to grab something. All right, we're getting a little push up. The meeting between Israel, okay, that's the latest news. The books were in between 26,000 and 25,895. So this box is kind of the range we're in. According to the Bookmap. So that'll be the middle. And diddling in the middle is not the best move usually. The Strait of Hormuz looks empty. Got these two ships. Look at that ship. What the heck is that? That's interesting. Well, we got oil dipping down. Let's see if we break 91.93. Be nice to see oil in the 80s. That'd be wild. All right, let's see if we get a push down. One second. cushion on my headphones is coming off. Great. Eventually I'll upgrade my setup. All right, we got another new high on the MNQ. Oil's dumping down. Let's go back on a practice account. I kind of like the longs here. But Diego, I'm not happy. You were so close. The French government considers a cap on retail margins at gas stations. Oh, okay. I mean, the Bulls are still in control, it seems like. Might get out of this practice trade or practice account. Kind of want to go long. I don't want to chase either. But oil's looking weak. It's going down. Equities. Equities are looking good. That's for sure. Here we go. We're going to push up here. We still got 100 orders at 26,000 and 100 at 25,895. That's why I have this box. All right. You know what? Let's go. Let's see if we get some momentum here. Push up to 26,000. That's the goal. Oh, we got another homie here. Chintachaya. It's going to push up. I'm hoping. I'm long. Chintachaya, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Where are you from? And you got any trades in? Where are you long from? Oh, you're from India? Oh, nice. We're in India. India's huge. Well, you don't have to say if you don't want to get that personal. Gujarat. Nice. Gujarat, India. Is that one of the high-end places in India or a village? A village place? You know what? I'm going to search it up. Gujarat, India. Oh, you're right by the ocean. So, yeah, you probably got a nice area there. You got the whole ocean. That's nice. Nice. Well, you're on the coast. That's awesome. Seaside. Yeah. Sweet. What time is it in India? It's 11 p.m. Okay, you know. Some evening trading. Are you trading with a prop firm or your own money? Prop firm, nice. Yeah, I'm trading right now with Top Step X prop firm. Funded account. Up 175 bucks on one, $61 on another. Nothing big, but still up. So I'm happy about that. What's your name? Am I pronouncing it right? Chenta Chaya. Or do you like to be called by something else? Chinta Chaya. It's a cool name. Oh, what did I do there? I got the financial juice on the left here. I'm always looking at the book map. Oh, we got some orders coming in below. Might see a little dip down here to like 950. I'm gonna put a buy order down here. A stop down here below. Well, at 25,937. Just call it Chintan. Nice name. Yeah, I hope it works out for the both of us, no doubt. Chintan. Well, nice. What do you like trading mostly? Yes, gold, silver, oil, and Q. A little bit of everything. Appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you subbed. Could put a like down there too, make me happy. Just started 1 month ago. Oh, you're new to the game. Nice. Market Butcher in the house. Oh, I was just in his Discord. Hey, thank you very much. Thanks for letting me put my link in your Discord. So if anyone's watching, make sure you watch Market Butcher too. He's awesome. Broadcasting Authority quoting officials, Russia has agreed to receive Iran's stockpile of enriched uranium. Wow. So they're making some moves right now. So is America fine with just sending the uranium to Russia since they already have nukes? Interesting. Some unilateral deals happening here. That's kind of funny. Since there's sanctions on both Iran and Russia. Oh, Chintan, you're in his Discord. Sweet. Oh, okay. Well, thanks for stopping by. Um, my plan is to stream twice a day: New York session, Asian session, and then one day and on Sunday when the market opens. That's the plan. Just started streaming like a couple days ago, like 5 days ago. But yeah, Market Butcher, thank you very much. You bring in Chatan for me. That's awesome. Appreciate that. I don't really use Discord too much. If anyone's watching, at least comment on the chat, you know? Get a conversation going. I'm long right now, but it's not looking that great. So I want a breakout up to here, like 26,000. That's what I'm looking for. This would be a 1-to-1. If you're trading, at least have a 1-to-1. Risking 54 to make 54. It's not the best trade, but it's not the worst either. A negative risk to reward is the worst. Sorry for the audio and everything. Still working on figuring out audio and video and all that. Oh, it's clear? Okay, perfect. But I don't know how far to put away the mic either. Because I just hear myself breathing into the mic and that's annoying. That's annoying myself. Well, we'll figure it out. Slow and steady. I'm not trying to be a YouTuber. I'm just trying to... Okay, we're getting a little breakdown here. Let's if we hold. I might just get out of this trade. I thought we at least see 980. Okay. Tesla's still coming up. Tesla's up. Oh, sorry. Netflix is up 3.2%. Tesla's up 3.6. Nvidia's up almost 3. Meta's up almost 5%. That's wild. And Apple's down. Apple's a laggard right now. I'm from Vancouver, the Pacific West Coast. If you know where that's from. At the same time zone as California. It's 10:52 a.m. over here. West Coast of North America. I live in the suburbs though, so I live in a... Oh, okay, here we go. Here's a breakdown. All right, out of that. So we're getting a breakdown. Let's see how far it breaks down. Are we going to test 25,940? That's possible. Oil's trying to make a push up. might be a pullback to get in long again. It's a 1 minute chart. VWAP is way down there. VWAP's below IB, the IB high at 25,763. We got the financial juice over here. Let's check out the marine traffic. Anything going on here? Not much. The strait is empty. Alright, let's see if we get a move. Kind of want to go long. Alright, let's try. I'm gonna stop right under there. Gonna risk 15 bucks to make 1-to-1 would be, I mean, that's kind of an easy trade. Kind of want to go, I want to see to 26,000, but it might not happen right now. What time is it? 10:55. Oil's pushing up too, so that's not good for equities. See a dump in oil, that'd be nice. I'll probably just leave this. It's just a pullback, yeah, no doubt. Got a little bit better position, kind of the same position. Let's see where we go. Rejection off the 9-day moving average. All right, this long's not working out. That's okay. Get a bigger pullback, we'll get back in. That's all it is. I mean, this area down here, the 25,920 area might be a good buy. Sorry for my low energy. Just kind of getting used to trading. I don't know what kind of energy to bring in the game. Says there are 4 people watching. Say something in the chat. Start a convo. All right. Rejected again. Might have to step away from the screen. If I lose this trade, that's 2 losses in a row. And it looks like it's going to hit the stop. All right. I guess just let it happen. Whatever happens, happens. Be back in 5. Okay, sorry about that. Just took a quick lunch. Got stopped out. I'm back in a long.
Kind of stopped right there, right? Kind of hit it and then
3 bad trades in a row.
probably should have waited for a little bit more confirmation on it, but we'll see.
That's no good. Lebanese Israeli statement. Productive discussions on steps to launch direct negotiations. That's positive.
I mean, we're kind of like the location where we are. I mean, I like to see a little more strength coming out of this.
See if we get a push here.
Right, when I take these kind of trades, I kind of want to see them move pretty quick and reject an area, which it's not really rejecting the zone at the moment, which has me a little bit cautious on this trade. But
Got a nice push down.
where's your Trump pump when you need it?
80-point dump right there.
Trump only pumps it when I'm.
Let's see if we get a little recovery. Might add.
Nothing coming across the
If we get a quick
at the moment.
move up here.
Fires, no war's over. He's got a pre-taped interview coming up at 3 o'clock Central Time. I didn't know he did pre-recorded interviews. He's more of a live fella. Maybe that was for the algorithm.
Got tops that playing in the background also. Had that on my speakers, my bad. Diego in the house. A Villa stopped by too, eh? Oh man. Did I miss you, brother? My bad. Oh, Balvinique's in the house too. Sweet. How's it going? Balvinique checking in from the Czech. In any positions right now, or you just shorted? Oh, you're short? And now. There we go. We're getting a decent push up here. I think I might just take that just to get a green trade. Just to build some confidence. I see this going up to 930 at least. Today I lost $200, but don't give up. Yeah, Balvinique, control your losses and you'll be good. I'm up about $200 on my XFAs pretty much. On 2 of them. 145 and $60. Had a couple of bad trades, lost 24, 14, 17. But risk management always helps. Guess who passed the eval? Diego. Yeah. Let's go, Diego. Good job. It's awesome. Makes me happy. Nice. So when can you start? When will that be activated? The live account. Oh, it's already activated. Nice. All right, take it easy. Let's do some management here. Sweet. Who are you using again? Top Step or someone else? Let's look at the Bookmap here. I mean, we got some orders going to the upside. They're pretty close. 930, 940. Now let's see if we can take out these 930 areas. Oh, Tradeify. Okay. Well, that's good to know. They activate really quick. But Diego, yeah. Let's go, buddy. But let's take it slow. Slow and steady wins the race. Senate Republican leader Thune. Most of us feel good about U.S. achievements in Iran. All right. Do they, though? Oh, God. Now someone's on my door. Oh, that's hilarious. It was just a bird. All right. We're still looking pretty good. Oil's coming up, though. Who's going to break first, oil or NQ? That's the question. Oh, I got 3 likes. That's awesome. Oh, it says 4 likes. Nice. And 1 new subscriber. Sweet. I had to step away for a while. People probably came and left. They're like, yeah, no one's even talking here. They don't know what they're doing. Lost 3 trades in a row. Lame. Valvinique lost $200 today, but he's not giving up. And we never give up. Bailey speaks at 12:05. That already happened. That's old news. Let's see if we get a pump up here. We're close to 25,000, 26,000. Moving on up. Got a nice wick down here. Nice wick down there. I didn't take out these guys. We'll see. If they want to push this down further, I mean, there's no reason for them to not come up here. At least take these guys out and then dump it. But let's see if the price range is in this box. It's a pretty big box, so how many points is that? 135 point box. We're still making a move up. Got out too early, I guess. But I appreciate everyone that stopped by in the comment section. That's awesome. 4 people liked. That's sweet. Got 1 new subscriber. Beautiful. Some beautiful people out there. These notifications I'm getting here. I think that was Discord. Okay. Not really confident to make a trade right now. Maybe put one into practice account. $20 minutes away from power hour. No new news. Let's see if the U.S. and Iran can make a deal. I mean, we've been pumping the last couple of days. Up 1.53% on the NQ. Nvidia's up 3%. Tesla's up 3.3%. Meta's up 4.2%. Microsoft's up 2%. Apple is down 0.25%. This looks like a decent long. Let's put one into practice, see where it goes. Get one or two positive practice trades, then maybe we'll do the XFA again. 19 minutes away from power hour. That's kind of resistance right here. Let's see if we can break through. Need to break like 25,940 to remain bearish. Or sorry, bullish. Or he might just dip back down. Let's see what happens. But Diego, yeah, you killed it. Good job, man. Passing the combine. That's sick. All right, now we're going to break down. Luckily, this was a practice account. Stop down here will be $100. Yeah? That's a 1-to-1's right there. Equities. Nvidia's kind of dipping down. Be nice to see Nvidia above 200. All right, we're getting some volume coming in. This might go down to 865. Test the bottom here. Ouch. Who was short in the chat here? Someone was short. Balvanique is short. Hopefully he's still in that short. And he got up here where I longed the top. Right to the tick pretty much. What a horrible trade. Cold and miserable weather outside. Don't even want to touch the grass. If anyone's watching, just leave a comment in the chat. Say what's up or something. Let me know you're here. Start a convo. Oh, we're dipping down. Oh, I'm going to add another long here. This is a practice account, so I'm not too worried about that. I was thinking about taking some off on my long terms. I took one sand disk off today. I'm overweight Tesla. My average on Tesla is $400. That's horrible. Gotta get rid of that. What's my target? 26,000. But that's a practice account, so I'm not really trading as I should. I'm more just doing this for entertainment value. Not a real trade, so don't copy what I'm doing, that's for sure. "14 minutes from power hour." We'll see if you get any movement then. We get the Iranians and the Americans meeting in 2 days, according to Trump, which would be on Thursday in Pakistan again. But this trade's not really working out. We had a rejection here at this point, which does make sense. So we need to break this box. If we can break this red box, we can go up to 26. If not, down we go. I mean, oil's pumping up. Oil needs to break at least $92. Yeah, not looking that good. Let's see if you get a push up here. Or they take out these wicks and take my stop out. That's also possible. No new news in the last few minutes. I don't know if that's good or bad. Let's check if Trump has any truth. Truth Social's out. Latest on Trump was 1 minute ago, actually. Oh, that's a long. I don't even want to read that. It is my great honor to endorse America First Patriot Eric Conroy, who is running to represent the wonderful people of Ohio's 1st Congressional District. Alright, well, Trump has a tweet. I don't think it's going to move the market, though. That's the latest from Trump, if anyone's interested. And we're breaking down. Well, hopefully no one took that long with me. And hopefully did the opposite, if anything. Yeah, a bunch of tweets came out just endorsing a couple of Republican candidates. Nothing to do with the war. Oh, there's some what's this, Europe 4 hours ago? Yeah, nothing new from Trump. That's going to move the market anyways. We're dipping down. I think it's grass touching time. U.S. Treasury short-term license to allow the state of Iranian oil will not be renewed after it expires in the coming days. Okay. Well, we got negative delta. I mean, we can get a push up here. A lot of people market ordering sells. Might have too many people short right now. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we get a push up. Long terms are looking pretty sweet. If I sold all my long terms right now, I'd be up for the year like 30 grand. I don't have too much in my long terms. I'm actually like 80% cash on my long terms. I was slowly building positions, but the market just skyrocketed in the last like 5-6 days. Now we're like 3% away from all-time highs. Like, I don't know if this is the best place to buy. That's for sure. Is my audio on? Yeah, good. I was streaming the other day. My audio was off. I was like talking for like 2 hours just to realize the audio was off the whole time. Alright, let's just let this marinate for a bit, I suppose. Maybe I can put this on. Oh, that's kind of annoying. Screw that. But Diego, sorry. Proud of you, buddy. Let's make some money tonight. Alright, we're trying to make a push up here. You know what? Give me a minute. Alrighty. Let's take a look what's going on. Any new news? Lebanese ambassador to the U.S. Date, location of the next meeting with Israel will be announced later. It's good to see some diplomacy happening, that's for sure. Getting back close to my entry. See if we can make a green trade. We're in power hour now. All right, we're green. That's something. Got 4 likes. That's sweet. Appreciate that. See if we see a push up to 26,000. Got a bunch of positive news. So why not, you know? See if there's any new truths from Mr. Trump. No. Well, we're getting a little push up here. This is nice. Get a green trade going. Get some confidence built. All right, let's just get out of this trade. Let's go back to the XFA. U.S. State Department. Israel affirm commitment to working with Lebanon to disarm non-state terror groups and their infrastructure. All right, looks like some diplomacy's happening. Some talks are happening between Lebanon, Israel, USA, Iran, everyone else involved. It's positive news. All right, we're going up. Let's go long. Let's see. Let's see if we hit 26,000. We got to break out of the red box of resistance. Let's see a push, baby. Let's go. If anyone's watching, say something in the chat. Just say what's up. That's good enough. Let's start a convo. That's ugly, Wick. Let's get a retest of the box. Maybe add another contract. Oil's kind of stuck, but we're below 100. That's positive. If you could break down below 90, that'd be great. That'd be 1.88% move. 1.8, 1.9. Come on, let's get a push up. We got buyers stepping in. Nvidia's going. Nvidia's up 3.36% right now. That's nice. Come on, let's see a big pump here. Pump it. Had a couple bad trades in a row. Last one was green. I'd like to see a push up to like the 70s. Then I might start trailing it. Let's see what happens here. But it says 3 people are watching. Appreciate that. That's awesome. That's huge for me. I'm not a big streamer. I just started streaming 8 days ago or so. Just trying to build a community of like-minded traders to trade together. Not trying to sell you anything or push anything on you guys. I don't even know. I put a poll out, but there's only 3 people watching, and one of them is me, so no point of that. Not getting the momentum that I want to see, but it might give me opportunity to add if we dip down into this box again. We'll let this play out for a little while. Well, we got 50 minutes left in the New York session. MOC will be live on the left here. Diego, good job passing your combine. That's awesome. Here we go. We're going to push. Let's go. We'll see a push up to 25,975 and see how it reacts there. European countries plan to help free up shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, which includes sending mine clearing and other military vessels. Okay. More positive news. Let's go. Let's see what the high of my the high of today for me was $184 on this account. Might get out of this trade. Here's some resistance right here. Straw box, resistance box. All right, we're in the resistance. Are we gonna break through? Let's see. There you go. I'm just gonna put a stop right under the resistance box. Let's see if we can break through 970s. There you go. 975. We break through that. We can see 600. Well, actually, 26,000. Sorry. Come on, push it, push it. Nvidia's going. Nvidia's going strong. Got a little push pull back here. Probably take me out. Alrighty. So I'm pretty much at the high of today for me. Oh, I'm a little bit higher. That's cool. Oh, where'd my resistance box go? Alright. Be nice to get a pull back down to here. Get in again. 25,940 area. If anyone's watching, say what's up. I don't think anyone's watching. That's alright. A lot of competition. Marine traffic still dead. Oh, here's some ships coming through. Who are these guys? What country is this? CW? I don't even know what country that is. Another country here that I don't know. Still got these anchored ships here. Anchored here, anchored here. These dots mean they're anchored. This guy went through the strait. Chinese oil chemical tanker. Well, it'd be nice if someone comment in the comment section. Diego, thanks for stopping by. Balvanique. Villa. Appreciate it. Oops, I just keep hitting this refresh button. All right, we're trying to make a move back up again. Didn't get low enough for me to enter. chopping around. Let's update the financial juice here. There we go. We're going to push up. 26,000. Can we hit it? All right, let's get long here. So if you get a push to 26,000. I don't want to rest too much. I'm going to do a manual stop. Just going to wait till the next candle to print. If it's green, we might be good to go. If it's red, I might just get out of here. 10 seconds until the next candle. I'm on. Print a nice green candle for the homie. Let's go. Come on. Push it. Come on, Bulls. And 40 seconds till the next candle prints. This candle's not looking that good. Come on, make the move. Alright, I'm out. Probably got out too early. We might still see a push up. Got a new headline. Outlook for German economy has weakened. That's not good. We don't want economies to weaken. Europe drafts post-war plan to free up Hormuz without the U.S. Oh, Trump's not going to like that. He ain't going to like that at all. That's probably negative news. Because how's Trump going to respond to that? Let's see if Trump's already responded with a truth. 3 minutes ago. It is my great honor to endorse. No, nothing new. Well, NVIDIA, what a move. NVIDIA's up 3.6%. Tesla's up 3.6%. Microsoft's up 2%. Apple's down 0.37. Tesla and Meta's up 4.3%. Equities be doing pretty well right now. Sorry, I gotta get water. My throat's getting so dry. All right, we're pushing up. Should have kept that trade in. And we're about to tag 26,000. Nvidia made that push. Made that push before NQ did. Let's go long. Try to get a couple points here. All right, I don't like that. But we got a bunch of orders at 26,000. And they're not pulling them. Well, no one's watching right now. That's not cool. All right, let's try this long again. We don't really got resistance. If you can break through 26,000, see a decent pump. MOC numbers will pop up on the left here. Okay, that's an ugly. Got three little wicks here. The three little pegs. Let's see if you're gonna break. All right, let's put another order in. Planning for a breakout. Maybe a quick breakout. Come on, let's see a push. Oh, we're gonna push down now. Brutal. Now we have Nvidia kind of pushing down. Ouch. Said one more. Further run. Let's go. Let's make this happen. White House to hold tax day press conference briefing Wednesday with Treasury Secretary Besant. That's non-market moving news. We still got those 100 contracts at 26,000. Might do a last ad here. Alright, we're adding one more. Let's see. We'll sacrifice one contract for the pump. Or this might, I might have to flatten this. I don't like that candle. Still got the 100 contracts at 26,000. Come on, let's see a pump. We got rid of one more. We're gonna put a stop right under that candle. All right, gonna take out one more. Just in one contract now. Not the best trade, but it was positive. Will we take those contracts out at 26,000? That's the question. Oil's not doing much. Stuck at $91.69. And there you go. We're out. Not the best trade. Kind of chasing. Still eat the charts. We'll have MOC in 17 minutes. Oh, we're still pushing up. Nothing new on the Truth Social. Trump's endorsing Republican candidates. Well, it seems like someone's watching. If someone's watching, say something in the chat. Join the chat, brother. All right, we're going to pull back. Are they going to reload just to pump it? Let's see. We got 100 contracts at 25,950. All right, we're going to pull back here. Pretty strong one with volume. Now we're still dumping. Looks like we're going to take out the 25,950. Let's see if we see a bounce from there. That'd be a decent place to bounce from. Got oil pumping. Still below 100. positive. Nothing new on the truth. White House to hold. Yeah, nothing new here. Got the financial juice on the side here. Alright, we got a bounce, but it didn't take out the contracts at 950, so we can still see a push down. But that's a nice bullish engulfing on the 1 minute. It's like a 20-point pump right there in the last 2 minutes. Nvidia's trying to make a move up as well. Alright, not going to do any more express trades. Keep it on the practice. Made a little bit of money today. Well, we're getting a pretty big pump here. Rejected right off there. There we go. This is a practice account trade now. Keep that in mind, please. Nvidia's making a move up. All right, we're seeing a little rejection down here. Got a higher high, but Nvidia's coming down. I'd just be flat at this point. This is a practice account. Just gonna let it go. OMB director Russ Vaught to tell House budget panel 1.5 trillion defense top line is needed. All right. So this Iran war is costing trillions of dollars. That's not good. Just adding more to the debt. All right, let's add one. Let's add one to the long for the fun of it. We got 3 minutes and 30 seconds till MOC will pop up on the left side there. You don't need me to announce it. Just stay tuned, watch it. You'll get it live. Hopefully it helps your trading, but I'm out. No more trades. We'll be back in 2-3 hours. After the stream ends, I'm going to keep it on until end of market. Good luck. Keep it going. Let's go. So that's about it. MOC's in. Oh, it's changing. You can look at the MOC here. If anyone's watching, I'll let you continues to see the MOC. Alright, I think I'm just going to call it a stream. I guess see you guys in a couple hours for Asia. Thanks for stopping by. See you later.